Hi, I'm Harvey, a part of technical support team from Fanside. Today, let me introduce our single-head cleaning machine. The biggest advantage is we have the function for importing DXF files. To compare the other brand cleaning machine, which don't offer the function, it's very efficient. So let me show you how it works. The first step is insert the USB. Click the homing and import DXF to find your profile. And rotate to coordinate your profile, which you put style, such as if you put like this, so you need to rotate the degree. Okay, the next step is to identify the processing area. And it generates the teaching, so you don't need to teach by yourself. For example, you don't program by yourself. Different colors of the line, it refers to the different tools. It's such as like the saw, the milling, and the broaching. And then let me introduce the structure of our machine. This upper milling, lower milling, saw, and we also offer the broaching. Hi, thank you for your listening.